My name is Stanley. I'm an electrical contractor, and we use the Kubota SVL75 for a lot of different things. For commercial electric, we use it for moving transformers, digging transformer pads, and moving switchgear around. We use it for pulling heavy wire through the underground conduit. We use it often for quite a few different things. A track loader with pallet forks works better because you can get it through the dirt versus a regular forklift. The SVL is more versatile for our operation. And out on the job sites with the trencher head, we use it to trench the underground services to the building. So my SVL has telematics. It makes it a lot easier for me to keep up with where it is, who's using it, and if someone decides to take it home and use it, I will know about it. That's a really good safety feature for me. It has a backup camera. It's really a wonderful, versatile machine.